Have you ever wondered about the mysteries held within the celestial bodies that surround our planet? Today, we're delving into the captivating story of Theia, an ancient Mars-sized planetary body believed to have collided with Earth around 4.5 billion years ago. This collision is thought to have birthed our very own moon. The saga of Theia begins billions of years ago, a tale pieced together through meticulous scientific exploration. Scientists believe that portions of Theia survived the collision and remain buried deep within Earth's mantle, a fascinating testament to the cosmic impact that happened eons ago. In studying lunar rocks brought back by Apollo astronauts, scientists found these rocks shared a remarkable isotopic similarity with Earth. This led to the proposition of the giant impact hypothesis, which suggests that the moon was formed from the debris created by the collision between Earth and Theia. Analysis of the lunar rock samples showed that the moon is around 4.5 billion years old, roughly the same age as Earth. The moon is composed of rock and metal, its surface adorned with a myriad of craters, mountains, and valleys. Recent research has suggested the possible presence of mysterious blobs of material within the moon's interior, believed to have originated from Theia. This, along with the moon's gravitational pull that affects Earth's tides and has played a significant role in shaping our planet's climate and evolution, adds to the fascinating tale of Theia and the moon. In addition to these discoveries, recent research has suggested that parts of Theia remain partially intact and buried deep within Earth's mantle. Molten slabs of Theia could have embedded themselves within Earth's mantle after the impact before solidifying. These portions of the ancient planetary material rest some 1,800 miles, about 2,900 kilometers, below the surface. This discovery could provide additional details to support the giant impact hypothesis and answer lingering questions for geophysicists. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more engaging content. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Until next video, fellow Starborn.